So let me show you how to set up a fingerprint on your Redmi Note 15 Pro. Now, before you set up a fingerprint, you should have set up either a password, pin, or pattern. Anyway, let's go and tap on settings. Under settings, you want to scroll down to fingerprints, face data, and screen lock. Tap on that. Now you can see my screen lock says on. That's because I've already set up screen lock. Now, because that is already set up, I can go and choose fingerprint and lock. And then it's going to ask for my pattern or my password. Once you enter the correct lock screen password, it's going to say screen protectors may interfere with that. So just tap on get it. And the fingerprint sensor for this phone is an under display fingerprint sensor. So basically you need to put your finger there. It says press the screen and lift your finger after you feel vibration, right? So for this one, you just put in your finger, lift, change the angle, lift, change the angle, and you want to do that until this whole thing is full, right? So you can do it faster. Try and put in as many different angles as possible of both the phone and the finger itself. Remember, this is the same finger because you're trying to register one finger. Every finger in your body has a different print. Anyway, once that's done, you can now tap on done, and that's going to be registered as fingerprint 1. Now, of course, if you want to, you can go ahead and add another fingerprint, but for me, that's enough. So that means now I have screen lock password and fingerprint. And when I want to unlock my phone, I can choose whether I want to use fingerprint to unlock my phone or I want to use passcode. Thanks for watching and good luck.